Hello everyone, my name is Dylan. Welcome back, or welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways that you can use the autofill feature in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start off using the autofill with series feature. We can see here that I'm missing a part of my list, the days of the week. We can see here that I've already wrote Sunday. Now, when I click on the word Sunday in its cell, the blue box appears around it, of course, but there's a blue circle at the bottom right hand corner. When I hover over this blue circle, a crosshair appears. When I click on this blue circle with my crosshair, I can drag down to where I want Google to use the autofill feature on my list. Once I click off, we can see that it automatically made the days of the week for me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is just going to where I want my list to be, but in your case, it could go for much longer. As you can see here, I can once again click on the blue circle and drag down for as long as I want it to go. But in this case, I just want it to go to where my list ends. Now, this doesn't only work for days of the week. If we see over here, I have a different list using the days of the month. I have January at the top here, and using the same way we did it before, with the bottom right-hand blue circle, I can drag down to where I want my list to be, and it would automatically fill in the days of the month for me using which month I start at. Next, we're going to use a numbered list autofill. We can see here that my other 2 employees make random amounts of units each month. But in Kim's case, let's say that she makes 100 more units each month. So she starts off in January making 50, in February she makes 150. Logically, next month in March she would make 250. So what I'm going to do is click on the first month that I want Google to see. Next, instead of clicking the blue circle yet, I'm going to drag down just in the box. We can see this selects the next month. And instead of 2 blue circles, we only have 1 for these 2 cells. Now, when I click on this blue circle and drag down, we can see that Google can tell that Kim's unit count is increasing each month. 50, 150, 250, and once again, like the days of the month, the days of the week, this can go for as long as you want it to, but in this case, I'm just going to go to where my list ends. Now, for the final example of the fill feature, we can see that we have a monthly total up here. Now, I are using a formula for the monthly total. We can see equals sum from B2 to D2. Now this is collecting the month of January for each employee and calculating the sum. Let's say I want to use the fill feature to find the sum of each month. I can use what we've done before, the crosshair, drag it down, and you can see that the number changes. This is because Google Sheets is smart. It can tell that you want to not change what the function does, but change where the function is being used. So because we are just collecting 1 row up here, Google Sheets collects the row for each month. You can see it changing from B2 to D2 to B3 to D3 to B4 to D4 and so on. So these were 3 different ways that you can use the fill feature in Google Sheets. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, to follow along with my journey in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and I will hopefully see you all in the next one.